Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Anker SOLIX F2000 portable power station. I've already been using this for over 6 months now, and this is a great power station to have when you're working outdoors, camping, if you have a power outage, or any time that you need power outside or even inside your house. So let me show you what this unit brings, and I'll show you how it works and how great it is. Today, I want to share something that has been so helpful for me lately. The Anker SOLIX F2000 portable power station. Whether you're camping, traveling in an RV, or just preparing for emergencies, having a reliable source of power can make life so much easier. I've been using this SOLIX for a while now, and I can't wait to show you how it works and why it's such a great tool to have. Before we get into details, let's talk about why a portable power station like this is so useful. Imagine being on a road trip or at a campsite and needing to charge your phone, run a mini fridge, or even power up some lights. Or maybe you're at home during a power outage and you need to keep your devices running. The SOLIX is designed for all those situations and more. It gives you power wherever you are and makes sure you're never stuck without electricity when you need it. So this is how the unit look. You have your illuminating light. You have 3 different stages, so it gets very bright at night. It shows your power levels of how much is charged already. This is your Bluetooth button, so you can set it up on the app. You press this for power saving mode. You have 3 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports. You have 2 car sockets right here. You have your TT30 RV port, and you have your 4 plugs right here. You have your wheels. You have an easy tow handle which pops out. Here's your power plug, so you plug this into your outlet to charge the unit. You have your car socket, your solar power socket right here. On the back, you bring it down. So this is where you plug in either your car socket or your solar panel socket, and this is your 120 volt AC plug right here. Port right here is if you want to attach an additional battery, which is sold separately. Now let's get into what makes the SOLIX stand out. First, it's super easy to move around. It has durable wheels and a retractable easy tow handle, so you don't have to lift it. I've been using this in my backyard for projects, and moving it from one spot to another is so simple. Just grab the handle and roll it like a luggage. If you're camping or working outside, this feature is a lifesaver. So you can see how easy it is to lower the handle, and it lays flat. So you can use this vertical or horizontal. Another great feature is the TT30 RV port. If you're an RV owner, you know how important it is to have a reliable power source. The SOLIX makes it so easy to plug your RV directly into it. I've used it to keep everything in the RV running, like the fridge, lights, and even a small AC. It's a game changer, especially when you're out in remote places with no access to power. Let's talk about the battery. The SOLIX uses something called Life PO4 battery, which are the same kind of batteries you'll find in electric cars. What's amazing is that these batteries last for up to 10 years or 3,000 charge cycles. That means you don't have to worry about replacing the battery anytime soon. It's reliable, long-lasting, and perfect for regular use. Let's talk about the rapid recharge. One thing I really love is how fast it charges. Using their hyper flash technology, you can charge this from 0 to 80% in just 1 hour. That's perfect if you're in a rush or need it ready quickly during an emergency. It's also really tough. The SOLIX has a drop-proof design, so it's built to handle bumps and drops. Plus, it's resistant to UV rays and even fire, making it super durable no matter where you use it. It even has a built-in ambient light, which is great for when you're outside at night or need a bit of light while working. It's small touches like this that makes it really handy. You can see how bright the light is. That's the first setting. So there's 3 different settings. So it's very bright. You can also control it using your phone, using the Anker app. It's super easy to use. You can check the battery, turn ports on and off, and even set timers, all from your phone. So when you're ready to use it, I'm going to show you how to use the power cord. All you do, you're going to plug it into the outlet, like so, and then touch this button. And now you're ready to work outside using drills, saws. So you can even use this as a charging device. I'm going to charge my e-scooter. So all you do is just plug it in. And now I'm charging my e-scooter. So this is great for charging. And then it even shows you how many hours is remaining per charge and the output level and the percentage of the battery here. And you can even run different items at the same time. So I have my e-scooter charging, and then I plugged in my drill. I have that. If I want to use my portable fan and it's a hot day, I'm going to plug it in to my USB-A. You turn on this, and you can see the fans running just to keep me cool on those hot days. You can even run a mini AC on here. So to use the car socket, I'm gonna use my tire inflator to either fill up a pool float, your car tire, your bike tire, or any item that you need to float. You plug this in, then you press the button to turn it on, and now you're ready to use this. It even has a flashlight. So this Anker SOLIX F2000 is a workhorse. You could plug in multiple devices on here, and this thing still works. Very powerful, has a lot of energy, and it works well. And then if you want to do the power saving mode, you press that, and it won't push out as much power, and the battery will last longer. Okay? So everything's running full power. Even if you need extra light, plug it in, turn it on, and now you have your light. I've used the SOLIX in so many ways. It's great for charging my phone, laptop, and even powering small appliances like a coffee maker or a fan. When I'm working outside, I use it to run tools like a drill. It's also perfect for camping trips. I've powered string lights, a portable speaker, and even a small grill with it. The other great features that I love is that you're able to hook up the optional solar panel to this. So all you do is just plug this in, like so, and then you attach the solar panel to here, so you're able to recharge this. Or you could plug this in to your car, and now you could recharge this also. So I love how you have different options to recharge this, either with your home power, with your car power, and even with solar power. So when you're ready to charge it, all you do, you plug in the plug in the back, you attach it like so, and then you plug this into your outlet to your house. And now it's charging. It's at the 99% mark, and how long that is going to recharge for. So if you're looking for a reliable, portable, and powerful energy solution, this Anker SOLIX F2000 is a great buy. I love how easy it is to use. I like all the features that it has. It's made very well, and it holds up to anything that you throw at it. I also love how it has all these different ports that you're able to use all at once. And charging, this thing recharges up to 80% in about an hour. So it has a super fast charger on here. And I also love how the battery lasts up to 10 years. Anker SOLIX is now having a Black Friday sale. If you want to purchase this at the best price, please click on the link in the description box.